Okay, so what we're going to look at today is using trigonometry to find an angle. So the first thing we've got is we've got this right angle triangle, remember? SOHCAHTOA, sine, cos, tan. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cos equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan, TOA, tan equals opposite over adjacent. So the first thing we've got to do here is if we are finding angle CAB, so CAB is this top angle. So we have the opposite and we have the adjacent. So straight away we know it's going to be tan because tan is opposite over adjacent. So we are going to look at the tan of CAB, or the tan of A, equals 3/2. Now and then it's just straight into your calculator. But remember, whenever you're finding an angle, you have to press shift. So it's going to be shift tan 3/2. So shift tan 3 divided by 2. And you've got to be careful. And I'll do that again because I'll use brackets, shift tan, and I'll put it in brackets. 3 divided by 2 equals 56.3. And with this little applet that I've got, it's a transum applet. Hopefully, what did I say it was? 56.3, 56.3. And if I submit that, it should be correct, hopefully. Yeah, well done. Next question. So again, this one in this triangle, we know in the triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. So ABC, this is your right angle here. We know that AB is 27. We know that AC is 36. We have to find angle BCA. So BCA is this one here. So it's really angle C. So what have we got? The first thing we have to do all the time, which ratio are we looking at? Are we looking at a sine, cos, tan? So straight away, we are looking at opposite and hypotenuse. Remember, this is the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite. So straight away, we know it is a sine. So what is it? Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. We're finding an angle, so we must press shift on our calculators. You can't be more. So it's going to be shift sine. And again, we'll put it in brackets, 27 divided by 36. 48.6 if you round it. 48.6, 48.6. Hopefully, again, I'll get it right. Well done. Look at that. 2 out of 2. Should be a maths teacher, maybe. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is the right angle. So ABC, there is the right angle there. And we know that AC is 72. That's the right angle. This is the hypotenuse. We are after angle BCA. So BCA is this angle here, BCA. So we're after this angle. So we don't have the opposite. So what we've got is the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So SOHCAHTOA, adjacent and hypotenuse, that's the cos. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we are going to use cos. So again, because we're finding an angle, we have to press shift. So it's going to be shift cos. And it's going to be the 57 shift cos. Put it in brackets so it's nice and easy. 57 divided by 72. You could use the fraction button. Shift cos 57 over 72 would give you exactly the same answer, 37.7 if you rounded properly. 37.7, and hopefully there you go. So there was 3 very, very quick examples of how to use it. Remember, the basic steps are, which ratio are we going to look at first? Are we going to look at sine, cos, or tan? That's the most important thing. Which ratio? Sine, cos, or tan? Are we finding an angle? If we're finding an angle, we have to press shift. And that's basically the nuts and bolts of it. You will need a calculator. You will need to be able to use it properly. So hopefully that has helped you a little bit. Thanks.